Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to change language on Netflix. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Settings. Here, tap Account Details. Under Profile and Parental Controls, you can see the different users. Tap the drop-down arrow at the right of the profile you use. You can now see the language option. Tap Change at the right. Now choose the language you want your account to be in and tap Save. So that's how you change language on Netflix. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.